Hello, you're watching the Star News Update. I'm Esther Chandran. Transparency International Malaysia President Datuk Paul Lau, who recently presented the Berlin-based Global Corruption Report, has resigned as president of the organization. In a statement, Lau says he accepts full and sole responsibility for release of the Malaysian chapter of the report. TI Malaysia's Secretary General Dr. Loy Keng Min says the resignation is in light of differing interpretations and views garnered following the release of the Global Corruption Report 2009. He says in the interim, Datuk Muhammad Iqbal will be acting president in line with the constitution of the organization. The government will continue to implement programs to protect the country's rich biodiversity and to conserve the environment. Deputy Prime Minister Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin says the government was also committed to address environment-related problems, particularly concerning garbage and solid waste disposals.
Maka saya kira tidaklah agak terlambat bagi kita meletakkan soal pemeliharaan alam sekitar, menjaga dan memelihara segala kepelbagaian bio itu diberikan perhatian yang agak utama, bukan saja dari segi dasar, tapi dari segi program, tindakan yang perlu kita laksanakan untuk memelihara alam sekitar kita ini. Pentingnya kita pertahankan khazanah semula jadi yang Allah kurniakan kepada kita. Segala keistimewaan ini harus kita pelihara dan kita kekalkan untuk menjadi warisan bagi generasi anak-anak kita yang akan datang.
He said this when addressing staff of the Prime Minister's department at its monthly gathering Monday. Muhyiddin says as one of the top 10 nations in the world rich with biodiversity, Malaysia is aware of the crucial need to protect its natural heritage. Influenza A H1N1 is still active and spreading in the community despite a reduction in cases of late. Health Director General Tan Sri Dr. Muhammad Ismail Merican says the public is advised to take precautions and abide by the guidelines set by the ministry and to refrain from visiting crowded areas. He says there are no new deaths from the flu and the death toll remains at 77. He said in a statement Monday that about 120 influenza-like illness patients were admitted to the hospital while 106 more were discharged. Ismail says 13 of the 15 patients in the intensive care unit are high-risk patients. 7 are children below the age of 5. The Court of Appeal has allowed an application by 2 former Tabung Haji general managers for a stay of execution of their 10-year jail sentence for fraud and criminal breach of trust, CBT, involving 200 million ringgit of the board's money 8 years ago. In granting the stay, a panel of 3 judges comprising Datin Paduka Zaleha Zahari, Datuk Sulaiman Daud and Datuk Jeffrey Tan Kok Hwa allowed Datuk Amin Sidek and Datuk Muhammad Shafi'i to be released on a 500,000 ringgit bail each, pending the appeal on their conviction and sentence. Amin, who was Tabung Haji's former Senior General Manager for Finance, and Muhammad, who was the former Senior General Manager for Investment, were sentenced to 10 years jail, each by the Sessions Court in 2007 after they were found guilty. For more updates, log on to thestar.online.tv. I'm Esther Chandran. Thanks for watching.